Investing is a marathon, and more than that, you don't even need to win. You just need to make sure that you're crossing the finish line. In time, after training, you'll get faster and faster. And that's the same thing going on with investing. It doesn't matter if you're getting 2% per year, because you can work your way up into getting higher returns by educating yourself. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to ensure your future and the future of your family. I do think that this needs to be the mindset of any living human being. Being poor, not doing anything about it, and blaming it all on the lack of luck and the fact that God doesn't love you won't solve anything. But getting financially educated and ready for the future will surely change our lives. What is up, everyone? This is Val from Broke to Hero, the channel where we get financially educated and analyze different opportunities in order to maximize our profits. Also, bear in mind that when I decided to shoot this video, my lamp stopped working. So this is the only channel on the internet where videos are actually getting worse. Broken lamp, broke to hero. Makes sense, doesn't it? Before starting to test our investment skills, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up regarding the scammers in the comment section. I would have never thought that they will try their tricks even on small channels like this one. So know that Mr. John Smith, or whatever name they choose, isn't the best trader in the world, and he probably doesn't exist. I'm doing my best to report their comments, but as time passes by, it will get harder and harder for me to keep track of it. So be careful with your funds and avoid sending it to random people on YouTube. Now, do you have what it takes to finish that marathon, or you'll just quit once it gets hard? Let's find out. Many investing contents out there start with the fact that you need to learn the fundamentals of whatever you're investing in. If you're investing in Tesla stocks, you need to study the company carefully. If you choose Bitcoin, go for it, but understand it first, and so on. By the way, if you're a beginner and you want to better understand Bitcoin, click on the link right here in order to fully assimilate the basics. Now, is it wrong to analyze the fundamentals behind every investment that we make? Nope, it is absolutely correct. And it is absolutely correct to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you enjoyed this video. So, why is it that learning to analyze an investment opportunity isn't the most important thing? Well, let's say that you're a genius and you learn how to analyze a company better than Warren Buffett. You set the amount to $1,000, you hit the buy button, and in a couple of days you see the price going down by 20%. We all know that in order to make money, we need to buy low and sell high, and that's the whole principle of it. Easy, right? Well, actually most people have emotional issues when they see that they are in with 1K and they've lost $200 in a couple of days. They choose to sell for cutting their losses, and they keep repeating the process over and over again. While doing that, they are blaming it all on misfortune, when in fact they are killing their investment portfolio themselves without even realizing it. If you've analyzed the company properly and everything seems perfect, price doesn't even matter anymore. It doesn't matter if it's going down for even 50%, let's say. Instead of panic selling, we should reanalyze the company, and if everything seems okay, we should just buy more at a discount. So, the bottom line is that it doesn't matter how well you understand the financials behind the company or the utilities behind the cryptocurrency. If you're not mentally ready, you will be the biggest enemy of your portfolio. But as I said, before learning to analyze the fundamentals, we need to concentrate on something else. And I do think that this is where most of the financial education contents get it wrong. Before learning how to make an investment, we all need to focus on one thing, and that is the right mindset of controlling our emotions. So, are you ready to start investing? In order to find that answer, I need you to ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, do I need this amount of money in the near future? If you think that you will need that amount of money for predicted or unpredicted things, it's better to stay away from investing. If your whole savings account is $10,000, you shouldn't go all in into your investment portfolio. Save some money for rainy days, just in case you need it, because let's face it, we never know what's gonna happen. Once it goes into that investing account, it's better to forget about them completely and consider that you never had them in the first place. They need to be there to multiply, not for us to use for buying useless stuff. Question number 2. Will it affect my well-being if I lose a portion of it or even all of it? The all of it part is highly unlikely, because it's important to diversify our portfolios, but it's better to imagine the worst case scenarios as well. If you can take a loss, it's better to stay away from investing until you get yourself on the right track and have the right mindset. And question number 3, which is kind of similar to question number 2, but on a shorter period. If my investment suddenly goes down 50%, will I listen to the small guy in my head saying, "Sell now before it's too late, before it goes down even more and you lose more money"? That guy is always gonna be there. And if you listen to him, you will progressively lose control of the situation. If you're giving him, the small emotional guy, control of your portfolio, your investment is as good as wasted. Most people choose to listen to that guy, and that's why they're constantly losing money. Financially educated people, on the other hand, they choose to reanalyze the situation, and if everything seems okay, they just slap the small guy out of the picture and pull the trigger for buying more for a bargain price. If the answer to any of those questions was yes, you should probably stay away from investing and focus more on the saving money part, which is the first step into learning the basics of investing. I have these 2 short videos for you ready right here if you want to learn more about the saving money mindset and the basic principles behind investing. I suggest watching them both as they are not too long and they are highly connected to this video. Please don't take anything that I say in this video as financial advice, as this is just the way I see things and I will stick with it forever. If you found this video helpful in any way, please go ahead and click this button in the bottom corner right here on the screen and subscribe to the channel, as this will help me create more and more quality content. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you answered yes to any of those 3 questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out with fixing all those issues. As always, much appreciated for watching this video until the very end, and I will see you in the next one. Respect.